I'm going to talk about the most unusual law in the history in 18th century of England was pay window tax. It sounds very unusual as well. So I think at that time when there was no electricity, if the people have windows, then they have to pay the tax. So then the poor people, they then started living without window. They shut their window because they couldn't pay the tax. So what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's so good because they want to stay at home all the time. All of them will be here because there's no fresh air at home. It's not good. It's a bad thing.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It's going to be very dark.
Yeah.
It's not good for children, for people. No electricity, then maybe no sunlight. I think everybody have right to take the sunlight. It's a natural thing.
Yeah.
So I think it was the most unfair law for the people. But they changed that law because the poor people, they started living without the windows, and they had to change the law. I think. So I think it's okay because they changed the law. Thank you very much.